stop us. No one can stop us.
Good afternoon, my name is Hon Chaya and I am the Academic Manager of Camp ASEAN. Well, I have to say that this is one of the most special trips that we have ever organized for our students. Why is it special? It is special for three reasons. First, it is a reward for our students, the first batch who have graduated from Camp ASEAN successfully. Second, it is a reward for our contestants who have been working very hard. And this is not only the reward for them, but also a memory before they move on to the second round next week. Finally, it is also organized for our staff to celebrate our Camp ASEAN 2-year anniversary. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sunny, and I have to tell you that I'm a little bit exhausted after the tiring day, but this is a very wonderful trip. I have never been with the students because this trip is to instead of getting our relationship closer together, it's just like an opportunity for them to experience new things as well. And I'm so appreciate that Camp ASEAN have organized this trip, that we have another chance to say congratulations to all the students and get them ready for the upcoming second round for the battle. And last but not least, from all my heart, I would like to say wishing all the best luck to all the students, and whether they can get through the second round or not, but it's still the best, the talented one, and the best of the best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Daria and I'm from Abundant Life. I'm in 8th grade and I am one of the contestants in the high school speaking competition at Camp ASEAN. Today, they have taken us to Garirong Resort and I'm very excited because they have given me this opportunity to meet a lot of many other high school people and to know that they also have the potential to win. I'm very excited to be in this competition and I wish everyone good luck.
I guess we never know. Just hold on, keep going on. Why wait if you can't go? I think we both know. Just hold on, you keep going on. You and I, we've been through this phase, so be still and take your time. Nothing can stop us, nothing can stop you and I, we got each other.
My name is Vatai. I'm a freshman student majoring in business at AUPP University, and at the same time I'm also a BEP graduate in Camp ASEAN. So my experience learning with Camp ASEAN is that the teacher really encourages us to ask questions and also do our own research after class, and there are many competitions in the school which encourages us to challenge ourselves and to build our own capacity.
That is wrong to hide from the truth, even though you try so hard to fake it.
Hi everyone, my name is Nicola. I am a 11th grader student from East West International School, and as you can see today, I am in a field trip with all different students from different high schools in Cambodia who participate in the first round and won it. And it's such a great experience for me to be here today because I have a chance to explore different things at different places.
And nothing can stop us, no one can stop us.